Hey viewers, welcome to BookBee. So today I'm going to share my key learning from the phenomenal international bestseller book which can change your mindset about money and your financial situation as well. Rich Dad and Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. So first of all tell me, what did your parent teach you about life, money and finding a career? Did they tell you you should go to school, study hard and get a good job? But believe me, that is not actually a good advice. But it is what most parents tell their kids and most school teacher too. Another question. Tell me, while you were in the school, what did you learn about making money? Nothing. Because we are never taught what you need to know to become a rich. But that information does exist. Rich families pass it down from generation to generation, generation to generation. But how do you get access to it? And what rich teach their kids about the money that poor and middle class do not? The book Rich Dad and Poor Dad outline how you can become financially independent and wealthy. The author argues that what he teaches in the New York Times bestseller book are never taught in the society, and what the upper class passes on to its children is the necessary knowledge for getting and staying rich. Now let me tell you key lessons and concept from the book. Number 1, mindset matters. Mindset matters. So author emphasizes that your mindset, belief and attitudes towards money and wealth play a critical role in your financial success. These two father figures hold different belief and attitudes about money and finances. Rich dad has an entrepreneurial wealth building mindset, while poor dad adheres to the conventional belief about working for the job security and saving money. Rich dad underscored the importance of financial education as the foundation for building wealth. He believes that changing your mindset about money is the first step towards achieving financial success. So, learning about money, investing, and financial literacy is crucial. Robert Kiyosaki also discusses how fear and desire can shape your financial decisions. Fear of taking risk or making mistakes can hold you back from financial success. On the other hand, strong desire for financial independence can motivate you to take actions and change your financial mindset. Point number 2, assets and liability. So, assets are the things that put money in your pockets. They generate income or have the potential to appreciate in value over time. For example, real estate investment that generate rental income, dividend paying stock, bonds are the businesses that provide a positive cash flow and the intellectual property that generate royalties. Then liabilities. So liabilities are the things that take money out of your pocket. They represented financial obligations or expenses that reduce your overall wealth. For example, liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, personal loan, and any other financial commitment that require ongoing payment. From author's point of view, minimizing and managing your liability is essential to achieve financial independence. Point number 3, the power of financial education. Many people lack basic financial education and are financially illiterate despite going through years of the formal education. This financial ignorance can lead to poor money management, financial struggle, and a lifetime of financial dependence. According to Kiyosaki, financial education is the foundation for making informed financial decisions. It equips individual with the knowledge and skill necessary to navigate the complex world of money, investment, and wealth building. Financial education is essential for understanding the fundamental concepts of assets and liability. Kiyosaki stresses that individual need to be able to distinguish between income generating assets and wealth draining liabilities to make wise financial choices. Point number 4, escaping the rat race. The rat race means repetitive cycle of working for a paycheck, paying expenses, and striving to save money, all while remaining financially dependent on employment only. Fundamental step in escaping the rat race is acquiring the financial education. Kiyosaki believes that understanding how money works and becoming financially literate is the first crucial step towards achieving the financial independence. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of acquiring income generating assets. These assets include real estate, dividend paying stock, bonds, businesses, or any other investment that provide continuous stream of income. The idea is to accumulate assets that generate money for you without active effort, reducing the liabilities. It is equally vital to control and reduce liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligations that take money out of your pocket, such as high interest debt, car loans, and other unnecessary expenses. Managing and eliminating these financial drains can free up more of your income for investment. Then, point number 5, creating passive income. Passive income is a crucial for achieving financial independence. While earn income, that is money from your job, and portfolio income, that is money from your investment, are essential. They often require active work or management. Passive income, on the other hand, can provide financial security and freedom. A primary way to create passive income is by acquiring income generating assets. These assets include rental properties, dividend paying stock, bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded fund, that is ETF, and businesses that can operate without your day to day involvement or other investment options that you can generate passive income. Point number 6, courage to succeed. Achieving the financial success often requires the courage to take calculated risk. So in this book, author encourages readers to open to opportunities, including investing in assets or starting a business. So, courage is essential in embracing these opportunities and facing the inherent uncertainties. Fear can be a significant obstacle to success, especially when it's come to financial matter. Having the courage to overcome fear, whether it is a fear of failure, risk, or change, is essential for the progress. This book emphasizes the importance of learning from mistakes and not being discouraged by failures. Having the courage to view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning is a key aspect of the success. Rich Dad advocates taking personal responsibility for one's financial situation. This required the courage to acknowledge your financial challenges and make necessary changes and actively manage your finances. Point number 7, work to learn not just for money. So, work to learn, not just for money, is a key principle for achieving financial independence and success. This principle emphasizes that individuals should view work not only as a means to earn salary, but also as an opportunity to acquire knowledge and valuable skill. Work to learn means using your job or career as a platform to develop skills and gain knowledge that can be applied to your financial future. This might involve learning about investment opportunities, understanding the tax strategies, or acquiring business management skill. Investing in self education. Rich Dad believe that self education and continuous learning are essential. He encourages individuals to invest time and effort in expanding their financial knowledge and skill, both through work and independent study. So here is what I could share with you from the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I would like to recommend all of you to read the original book, that is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you feel this video could be of any use to you and your family and friend, make sure to like and share with them. And finally, subscribe to this channel BookBee for more content on personal finances and self improvement. Thank you very much.